welcome back to my channel. So I know that I'm looking a little crazy, and that's because I'm trying out some indie brands for you guys. If you guys haven't checked it out, I will leave the video linked down below. But today we're here to talk about the Maybelline Sky High Mascara. You guys may have seen this everywhere. It was recommended to me by my aunt. I have long lashes, but I don't really have thick lashes, so mascara definitely helps. Mascara helps obviously define my lashes, but from the picture it does look like it does give a tiny bit of thickness, but the guarantee is to give you limitless length, full volume. So I'm excited to try this out today. If you're new around here, welcome. My name is Jackie. I'm so glad that you're here. If you like the vibe, please don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell to get notified every time I upload a new video, or as often as you like to be reminded about my videos. My videos are here for whenever you guys want to come back and watch them. And yeah, let's get into it. Okay guys, so clearly I zoomed you in quite a bit, and can I just say it was like so difficult to get my hands on this mascara. Like I literally had to be like scavenger hunting. I had my Ulta notifications like ready to go, and I got one. So I did get the shade Very Black, and I believe they had like another shade or two, but that is the shade that was available, so that is what I picked up, and I'm excited to get into it. So I am going to put a little bit of eyeliner on. This is just the Wet n Wild Mega Liner, and I'm just going to literally put a tiny bit on. Like, don't laugh at me. So as you can see, these are my lashes. I feel like in the camera they look so sad, but I promise I have long lashes. So I'm just gonna come in here. Okay guys, so hopefully you guys can see the little wand. It's just like a cone shaped rubber brush, and we're just gonna get in here, and I like to start from the base and lift up. And as I mentioned, I do have long lashes, so don't be super surprised right off the bat. Like, let's see if we can get them to look crazy long. And again, just from the base, pull up. And I like to work with one eye at a time. I feel like that helps prevent clumping. I also want to note, I did not get the waterproof one. Did not get the waterproof one. I am not a fan of waterproof mascara. So I do use the Maybelline Stiletto Mascara, and I love that mascara. I feel like it gives me length, it gives me volume, but most importantly, I really feel like the brush is what does it for my lashes. Just like this one, I kind of figured it was gonna work for me. It's like that cone shaped, but also the bristles that actually like comb through and coat almost like 360 around the lash. You guys, applying my mascara takes a while because I like my lashes to look good. I wear fake lashes for you guys here or for like any kind of videos like that, but in real life I just like my natural lashes. Okay guys, so this is what the mascara is looking like. I couldn't continue because it was starting to dry up already, and I just didn't want to clump it up. Like, I'm not a clumpy type of person. I don't like to take it too far. So we're just gonna leave it there. That is what it's looking like. And now what I'm gonna do is on the other eye, I'm gonna put my Maybelline Stiletto Mascara. I just wanna see if there's a difference. Like, I personally, like, it looks pretty. I just don't feel like there's a huge difference, but maybe I'm wrong once I see it side by side. So I'm gonna open a brand new mascara for you guys. This is the Maybelline Lash Stilettos. And I just get the Very Black in this one as well, so that's perfect. And I know some of you guys are gonna be like, girl, like, yeah, trust me, like, I know I have long lashes, but I just want to be honest with you guys and let you guys know that even though that looks pretty, it doesn't look like anything I haven't seen it though. So as you saw, this was a brand new little tube. Okay Okay guys, so I got that mascara on, and I will say I think I like the Sky High a little bit better so far. Both of the mascaras were brand new, but the Maybelline Stiletto, since it's so wet, you have to keep kind of going through it, so it starts kind of like drying up and almost like setting. And going from the base up really helps keep the lashes nice and lifted, and so you have to keep doing it until it's getting a little dry. So for that reason, I think I like the Sky High a little bit more. As far as like, oh my gosh, what's giving me like the volume, I think they're the same lengthwise. Like my lashes, I don't feel like it necessarily looks longer on this side or this side, at least in person. I don't know how you guys feel through the screen, but I definitely just like the look that this has more so than this one. I did apply on the bottom waterline on this side. I haven't applied anything on this side, but even the bottom waterline, I feel like it gives you a little something without, I don't know, looking spidery, I guess you can say. I mean, if you like that look, you just have to keep applying. I don't, so I just take it about there and that's it. But oh my god, I'm genuinely shocked, you guys. I feel like I like other mascaras. I like other mascaras combined with this mascara, but like by itself, I can 100% use this one, and I kind of like that. And to be honest, it's not like I'm buying two mascaras. It's just I keep the old one and then the new one and then use them together, and it usually just does it for me. Anyway, you guys, I hope that you guys enjoyed this short video. Thank you so much for being here today, and I will see you guys in my next one. Adios!